Salesforce is a powerful tool for businesses. It helps manage customer relationships. It also automates business processes. At its core is a robust data model. This model lets you store and organize your business data. Salesforce is like a giant digital filing cabinet. It keeps track of everything important to your business. This includes customer information, sales opportunities, and marketing campaigns. Understanding Salesforce's data model is key to maximizing its potential. Objects are the building blocks of the Salesforce data model. Think of them as containers for your information. Each object represents a specific type of data, like a contact or an account. Fields are the individual pieces of information within an object. For example, a contact object might have fields for first name, last name, email, and phone number. Fields store the actual values associated with each object record. Salesforce provides standard objects for common business needs. These include objects like contacts, accounts, leads, and opportunities. These come pre-built with a set of standard fields. However, you can also create custom objects. This allows you to tailor Salesforce to your unique business processes. For example, you might create a custom object to track properties if you're a real estate company. Relationships in Salesforce connect different objects. This reflects how these entities interact in the real world. For instance, an account, a company, might have multiple contacts, employees of that company. There are three main types of relationships in Salesforce: master detail, lookup, and many-to-many. Each relationship type has its own characteristics and use cases.